Last week, Bridges Alinda Mugenyi and Solome Atulinda sued Roswell Mother and Children's Hospital, accusing them of retaining their newborn baby, Keist Alinda, on allegations of failure to pay hospital bills. The case was filed at High Court Civil Division before Judge Esther Nambayo. The parents are accusing Roswell Mother and Children's Hospital for detaining their baby as a collateral due to unpaid childbirth bills. When the case came up for hearing before Judge Esther Nambayo, the hospital was ordered to present the contested baby to court for identification.
Okay, Geoffrey Tuliamusima, together with my colleagues, especially Chris, we have appeared before court today, before Her Lordship Esther Nambayo, in order to proceed with a matter where the child of our client, Alinda, was illegally detained by Roswell Women and Children Hospital. We have both parties agreed that the child be brought before court by 2 p.m. today by the hospital or with the assistance of the hospital from where the child was kept. Now we are expectant that at least the mother will have, or the father will have their child by 2 p.m. today. And then we appear before court at the same time. Of course, there are several things to discuss, but mainly is to confirm whether that is the true child of our clients. In case the child is not that, with the help of both parents, of course we shall insist court, or we shall pray before court that a DNA is conducted. But if it is the true child, then we shall go into other issues of human rights infringement, especially the right to privacy, where the communication or information of the child together with the parents was sent to another third party, to the issue of the damages for the past 5 months. Where has the child been? There has been an infringement on the side of one, our clients, two, also the child.
However, upon presenting the baby to the parents, they were not able to identify him since it's now 3 months without seeing the baby. It's against this background that lawyer Geoffrey Tuliamusima for the parents asked court to carry out the DNA test so as to know whether this is the right baby who was detained by the hospital.
We have appeared today at exactly 2 p.m. before Her Lordship Esther Nambayo in order to see how we can proceed with the matter, or on the directives and the orders she had granted earlier on today. There is a certain baby who has been presented before court, and upon clarification and confirmation or checking by the parents, the mother especially has intimated to court that she is not sure whether that is her biological child. The same affirmation has been confirmed by the father. I sought court indulgence in order to go for DNA, and court has also allowed to take the baby together with the parents for DNA. We are to report back to court on 5th next week on Tuesday, so that we can update court on how far we have gone with the DNA. The beauty is still that DNA is supposed to be facilitated by the hospital, Roswell Hospital.
However, the prayers were objected by Roswell Hospital's lawyer, Semakula Muchibi, mainly on the issue of the DNA costs that the applicants wanted the hospital to incur. Judge Esther Nambayo, however, overruled Semakula's prayers, thus ordering the hospital to pay all the costs for the DNA test.
What has transpired to court today, especially in regards to Loving Home or Loving Hearts Babies Home, is that court has inquired of them or asked them of how they got to know. They informed the court that they got to know about the baby at Central Police Station, which report was made by Roswell Hospital. As such, they were informed that the baby was just abandoned by the parents. Of course, that one we disagree with it, because if that was the case, it wouldn't be in court. We are sure that there is some miscommunication, or there is some illegal coordination between the hospital together with the baby's home in order to infringe on the right of our clients, both parents, together with the baby, which we shall not allow, and we shall present our case before court so that justice prevails.
Court also ordered the DNA test to be conducted at Government Analytical Laboratory situated in Wandegeya. Judge Esther Nambayo said 5th September 2023 to resume with the main case.
No, we did not abandon the child. The hospital detained the baby just.
Okay, that's enough.
In the main case, the parents are seeking an order from the court for the immediate release of their baby. They are not obligated to pay any medical bills for the period. The baby was illegally detained. The battle between Roswell Women and Children's Hospital and Case Linda's parents started when the mother was recommended for cesarean birth, and since the baby was premature, he was placed in the nursery for further care. The records indicates that upon discharge, the hospital asked parents to pay medical bills amounting to 5.2 million for the mother and 4.4 million for the baby. It's alleged that although parents managed to pay the outstanding bills of 5.2 million, however, the hospital declined to release the baby unto them.
Of course, each of the payments, our client, and we have also informed court, have no issues to pay the 4.3 million. We are open to paying the same, and we are open to enter into any other arrangement in regards to paying the same. As a sign of doing that, today we are going to deposit money before court. As a sign that we are serious, we need to sort out this. What is very vital in all this is the baby or the rights of the child.